Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial series. In the last video what you have seen like how we imported this complete website, demo website on your new fresh WordPress installation, and today we are going to see especially all the community features and little bit introduction about the BuddyPress plugin, because understanding that plugin is very important to understand what are the features we have and how the theme is going to design or provide you the better layout for these pages. So quick overview of the BuddyPress plugin. Here you can see under settings, the option is BuddyPress. So BuddyPress plugin provide you the extended profile option. So in this, it depends on you whether you want to use that feature or not. You can simply disable the group feature and all the group feature in your community will be gone. Let me show you just by saving this one. Like these are the groups, and once you save that, all the group feature will be gone. So that will not exist. So it's very easy for you to whether you want to use that particular feature or not. It's up to you. So now you are back here. Just simple on off option you can select. Similarly for the private message, for the friend connection, so the type of community you are building, you can list out which are the core features you want to have in your community or not. And next up is the translation or make the community in their own native language, or just to brand their community based on their things there. So all the URLs can be changed, all the nomenclature can be changed, and everything you can change in terms of language there. So all the screen slug, all the slug can be varied, you can change there. And other options WordPress include is the show the toolbar for the logout users. No, do not show this toolbar to the logout user, community visibility, anyone, or you can make members only. Whoever will register, they can have that. And as WordPress is very, you can say, old plugin or very like 15 years been there, so there is completely a new layout of these community elements. So it will always keep on the latest one only for the older website who are using the old legacy version, they need to use that legacy one. And option for the account deletion, that's must for a GDPR compliance. So this option is there for some member want to delete their membership. Option to allow people to have the upload the photos or avatar or the cover image, and to invite any member to join the network, allow visitor to request membership, profile sync, enable BuddyPress to WordPress profile sync. This is the best one. Like if you already have a WordPress website and you want to sync all the members, like you can say the WooCommerce website you have there, all the customers are there. You just want to create a brand community for all your WooCommerce customer, can become the member on your community as a, they will have profile there, and you simply have to just use the same data, all the information you have about them as a customer, you can use is that in BuddyPress. So that's actually going to be great. And the group creation option, where they want to enable users to have the group or photo upload, all these limitation as an admin you can set up there, and auto refresh the new item on check activity. So everything you can enable there. And thanks to all the developers who are working hard to create and maintain this plugin BuddyPress. Next up is we are going to see all the community pages there. So this is the activity stream page. This page have this activity stream, all the things people post there, and these are the widgets. These are the left and right side widgets, and these widgets are provided by our theme. All the styling or the layout option you are seeing there. And let's move to the widgets only. First of all, widgets come under appearance, widgets, and like right now we are seeing this activity page. So all you have to do is see the activity, right sidebar, which widgets you want to show there. Okay, so this is the right sidebar. In the right sidebar you have complete your profile, members and groups. This is a profile completion, and this is a member block, and this is a group block there. And for the right sidebar, for the left sidebar, you have activity community. Left sidebar is there, which is the BP login option, and the online members. Means on the activities team, you can see community left sidebar is these widgets. On the right sidebar, you have these widgets there. Let's move to the member directory page. We show all the members there, and you can search any member also, and you can select based on newest registration. Similarly, on the activity stream, there was like what kind of update you want to follow, whether you want to follow the group update, group membership, or everything. And for this one, this everything is the default one is set up there. And we have provided a free add-on there which let you change this everything to any specific one you want to change that to make that default. So WordPress activity filter is the free add-on. You can search on the org, you will find, which let you select which of these updates will be available to your members. You can select like only the 2 or 3 element can be in the drop down, and only those kind of activities can be shown in the activity stream, and change the default one from everything to that particular one you want to show to your members. So the name is a BuddyPress activity filter. You can use that also. And this is a member one, member directory. And as we have enabled the friendship, so someone can send a friend request to anyone. And next step is the group feature. There the my groups subsection is there, all the groups which create by the user. And the creating a group is very easy. You just have to name the group and just input all the details there, and make sure the group is public, private, or what kind of nature you want to keep. All group members, which member of the groups are allowed to invite other, you can set up that also. And upload the group profile picture or select your file. So, and change the cover image. And right now we have no friends, so that's why we can't invite someone there. But here is a live group. You can see all these images you can change there, and that's easy for someone to come and join. Let's go to invite there. So all members we select from on member, you can see I can send invitation to some of the members. All these invitation that we send to join the group. And here you can change anything after the group creation, and in the members you can see everything there. So the next step is the profile page. The profile page have like personal profile. So there are basically three kind of activity stream. One is the site-wide activity stream, and that these are activity stream which are specific to that particular group are there. And these are the profile activity stream which comes under the profile. And here you can select based on the filter whether you want to see which kind of activity is there. In the profile, you can edit all the field options there. So as a member, need to fill all the details there. These are the field groups. Like this is a field group which have all these fields. This is a third field group which have all these. So admin have the capability to make all these new fields and the field groups and update. And based on that, members need to fill up their information. and any member can change their profile also in picture also. And in the notification tab, they will find all the notifications which are related to them only. And let's do one thing. We use a another plugin, switch to the members for testing. Using this plugin so that we can switch to another member profile and show you how the profile field looks like. As an admin, first of all, we are going to do is update the profile fields. Okay, so these are the field groups which we saw, and these are the sign up field. In the sign up form, which field you want to keep there. So let's add one new field here. You will see this new field. You can say the type of field you want to be there. So as an admin, when we create these fields, that will show under, and like this is a edit group also, like instead of calling it base, call it me or something, just for the naming of this field group. So admin can name all these and change all these fields. And under the sign up field, any field you create in these, you can simply create from here and move to there. You can see that. So this field now in the checkbox required. So this selection box is also the part of the sign up field, or you can say the school field also part of sign up field. Like all the fields which you want to be in the sign up or restriction form also in the member profile field, you can keep there. And during the sign up, when they fill up the information, that will automatically filled under their profiles. So let's go to the website and just switch to any other member. Here the member is like switch to Ron, and you can see for the Ron now we have 4 notifications there. First of all, someone accepted the friend request and everything is there. And when they have more of a notification, they can simply delete these. So this is the private message option. So let's see to the profile field again. So all these fields are already filled up there. You can see the field group now called me, and there is new field option for someone to fill up. So as an admin, you can set up all the fields all your members need to set up their informations. Go back to the member profile, and now he have all the friends are there, all these groups he have joined there, and the invitation of the groups he received there. I think this member was not receiving any. Let's switch back to admin, and in the members we can switch to the member whom we have sent the invitation. In the groups you can see he must have got invitation. Okay, this was not the person. I think there was another name of the person. Pending invites. So let's show the next thing is the sending a message. How someone can send a private message to each other. Simply compose, search for the name, I think simply put at a, this is a community member, and we have sent the message to the Andre. The member switch plugin actually let you switch to the admin and switch back to Andre. We will see he have a notification for a private message here, which we sent from there. And yes, from Antoine, he get the message here, and he can start conversation with him. So that will be a chat in between them. And what I think is like for the group invitation, the Andre was there. No, he was not there. I think we need to check again which member we have sent the invitations there. So that's all for the friendship, for the groups and invitations and the other settings. Any member can change their password from here, and on their profile they will see all the options they have for their profile. So that's a short summary of the BuddyPress, all the features you've got, and you can see that BuddyX Pro provide all these pages a unique layout. Let me just switch back to the admin and provide you a quick overview about what you are actually getting. If you are not going to use the theme which is dedicated to the BuddyPress, like this one, all you will get is a default layout, which is not very professional for someone to use on their website. So like this is the layout which we are providing with our theme, and this is the default layout there. This is for the activity stream. Again, you can see there, this is for the member directory, and this is for the group pages, how the single group look like. So that's why you need a dedicated BuddyPress plugin, which can provide you the professional look and design there. And in next video, we are going to see how you can utilize all the options the theme is offering.